9th, 2018. This one here, I gotta go to an old lady's house. She's got a bunch of stuff she needs done over there. An outside faucet's leaking. So I'm going over there now and see what I can do for her. I did stop by over there Friday and see what was going on, but it's Monday morning. I'm going back over there now. Try to get you some shots if I can. There you go, leaker. Drops down and goes out. I don't know why he just didn't put one down low there. Can't have that. She's a leaker, mama. She's a leaker. Supposedly he can't shut it off in the basement, he said, so. I'm gonna have to rework this, do something with this thing. I'll probably just put one right down low there, right against the ground. I don't know why it did that. Come out, you know, you gotta winterize it over here like that. We'll see. Guys, I did try shutting it off downstairs. I'll have to change the shut off down there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this ball out downstairs. I'm just gonna come out and put this right straight out. This way here. It'd be easy to drain in the winter time. I'll show you when I get down there. It doesn't look pretty down there. There's the old shut off. I mean, it goes right outside the sill there, so I don't know. I gotta pull that out of there. Not gonna be pretty, mama. That's gonna come out somehow. Somehow, some way. I got the cold water main running over. Shut her off here. Open up this old sink right here that's cold. That's lower than that little thing. I should be able to cut it. That's gonna come out. I gotta pull it out of there. Cut it out somehow. I need a grinder. The old Gundy. I'll have to try to cut this with the grinder and get that out of there. I gotta cut out outside, so it should be free willy. Should be a free willy, mama. Should be a free willy. I don't know. Not easy being cheesy. All I can say. I don't know if I'll be able to get that out of there or what. Next low. Next low. Alright. Yeah. Hit that with the pliers, get them burrs off of there. It's not the greatest setup, but it is what it is. I don't like cutting it with the grinder, but I need all the space I can get, so it wasn't the ideal thing to do, but shit happens. You hear that saying? Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta do what you gotta do. It's a stubby. What we'll have to do is we'll have to get a piece of copper in there. And, so we can mark it, you know. Gotta make sure we put this the right way so it works, see? Like that. You'll be able to, I'll put it on the top like that so you can shut it off and then open it outside and drain it. That'll be the way I do it, like that. I gotta get a piece of copper in here so I can mark it and cut that other piece. I just stuck a piece in it. I'll mark it outside. And then I'll solder this on it, stick it in from outside, and I'll have 2 joints to do here. That's right where the wall is there. Got the mark right there where I gotta cut it. I'm gonna fix my, I gotta fix this, I get another cutter. I mean, things giving me issues. Obviously, the other shut off was not the greatest. So we'll give it a solder job, and we'll put it in from outside, and what we're gonna do. I'll just open it for now. It's good enough. I don't need to take it apart. Make sure we give this some flux. And we'll put it in from outside, and I'll give it the old Gundy. We're going to make sure the handle's going to spin right. That's what we want. Alright, we'll stick it in from outside, and we'll straighten it out. And gonna solder up the inside. Good. It's in. That's it right there. Solder it up, mama. free. You see that? We'll see if it works. Here's a leaker. I got it open up there yet. It's better than what they had, that's for sure. I'm gonna have something that's, you know, easy to winterize. Alright, that's good. No leaks. I'll shut it off for now. It's still kind of cold out. I'll shut it off for now and open it outside. So it will be, I'll have to just turn it on when he needs it. Oh yeah! There she is! That's the baby dog, man! Oh yeah, you missed me. I know it, I know it. Smell this flipping torch. Did you miss me? Oh, yeah, doing the dance. You're doing the dance. Oh, yeah, I know it. All right, push over. Come on, push on over there, Baba. Come on there, push on over there. Oh, yeah, you got a tough life, I know it. Oh, yeah, you got it tough. Oh, I know it. Oh, I know you got a tough life. Oh, you can hear it. Oh, you got it so tough, I know it. Oh, I know.